With its expanded frame and open back, the Chevrolet Express Cutaway is a van that may be converted into a number of commercial vehicles, including more compact Class C motorhomes. Usually, the outside will have the standard Express front, retains the grille, bumper, and headlights of the Express van's front end. A body firm will construct the rear, adding unique windows, doors, a roof, and walls for living space. To improve headroom inside, the roof of almost all conversions is raised above that of a typical van. For ventilation and light, larger windows or V-style windows are fitted. Unique entry door that is locked and frequently has an electric step. External storage spaces for batteries, water tanks, and equipment. Awnings that retract are a typical feature. Connections for trash disposal, water, and power. Livery and graphics frequently added to provide a more appealing look. Depending on the body company's intended degree of elegance and usefulness, a Chevrolet Express conversion's interior might vary significantly. Nonetheless, the bed area is one of the typical components. This can be a pop-top bed on the roof, a permanent bed, or a bed that folds out from a sofa or dinette and is often located at the back of the van. Galley could feature a tiny sink with a water faucet, a compact fridge, a stove with 1 or 2 burners, and storage for food and cooking tools. Area for dining and seating in the forward cabin. It's frequently a swivel chair or seat that doubles as a bed. There could also be a foldable table. Cabinets, wall shelves, and underbed or bench storage are examples of storage for clothing and equipment. Electrical systems for powering interior equipment include control panels, inverters, and extra batteries. House battery, 12 volts and USB ports are also typical. Ventilation fans for air circulation, and insulated walls and ceilings for thermal comfort. Larger side windows for vistas and natural light. Particularly in North America, the Chevrolet Express is a van that is frequently utilized as the foundation for campervan conversions. A 4.3 liters V6 petrol engine that generates sufficient power for a vehicle of this size is one possible engine option. 6.6 liter V8 engine, a more potent V8 gasoline engine that can move larger weights with greater power and torque. 8-speed automatic transmissions are the most prevalent. It comes with basic rear-wheel drive RWD.